Hi, this is Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams here at 384 Shady Brook Drive in the desirable 55 plus community of the Villas at Shady Brook, which has tons of amenities, including an indoor pool, which is heated, an outdoor pool, tennis courts, social community center, and also walking trails. Come on in, let's check out the home. Bright and airy living room featuring a floor-to-ceiling gas stone fireplace, hardwood flooring that extends to the kitchen and hallway and dining room, as well as neutral colors throughout. Sun-drenched breakfast nook opens to the bright neutral kitchen featuring 42-inch cabinets, double sink, corian countertops, as well as a pantry. Spacious master bedroom suite is sure to please, with a walk-in closet, private master bath featuring his and her sinks, ceramic tile, shower, and soaking tub.